This classy beast gaming case is so sexy, it should be illegal. Fractal North XL Mesh Review. Ever feel like your gaming rig is more clunky eyesore than cutting-edge beast? Sick of cases that overheat faster than your ex's temper and look like rejected sci-fi props? Yeah, we've been there, frustrated, overwhelmed, and constantly throttling performance just to avoid sounding like a jet engine during Zoom calls or boss fights. You're not asking for much, just a gaming case that works and looks like it belongs in a modern living room, not a budget alien movie. Why are sleek and high-performance builds still so rare? Spoiler, they're not, you're just shopping in the wrong galaxy. Let's be real, you didn't drop dollar on top-tier components just to house them in a hot, clunky tomb of despair. The gaming cave vibe was cool back in 2012, but now it's giving early YouTube basement streamer. Constant fan whine, janky airflow, and RGB that looks like a disco meltdown? Hard pass. Missed drops, lag spikes, CPU throttling, all thanks to cases that choke under pressure and scream louder than your stress. And don't even get us started on trying to clean or upgrade them without needing a wrench and prayer circle. Your dream build deserves better, and so do you. Enter the Fractal Design North XL Chalk White Mesh, aka the glow up your build's been begging for. This isn't your average big box full tower. It's a ventilated vault of velocity with Scandinavian swagger. With a wooden mesh front so sleek it should charge rent, airflow that's smoother than lo-fi beats, and 3 beastly 140mm aspect PWM fans out the gate, this beauty flexes form and function like a runway model with a wrench. Plus, Type-C USB, reverse motherboard support, and tool-free panels make setup feel less like surgery and more like Zen Lego. Whether you're a gaming gladiator, creative wizard, or just someone who wants their PC to look as good as it runs, the North XL brings heat, with none of the overheating. Extended GPU clearance, ultra-generous space for EATX builds, support for fatboy radiators, and all wrapped in a design that makes IKEA jealous? Yeah, that's called a win-win-win. No more hiding your rig, this is living room-worthy tech furniture. Ready to give your setup a serious glow-up? Scroll down, smash the like button, and peek the links before this beauty vanishes from shelves faster than a 4090 at MSRP. Thousands of builders are already flexing their North XL setups, and trust us, you don't want to be last to the LAN party. Stocks move fast, especially for actual good-looking airflow monsters. So why wait? Ditch the dusty, noisy bricks and treat yourself to the case that finally matches your gaming ambitions and your vibe. Hit that buy now link, drop your hot takes in the comments, and show off your cable management masterpiece on socials with #FractalBlowUp. Time to level up. Your dream rig is just one sleek snap-on panel away. Don't build basic. Build legendary.